Hey everyone! Today we're exploring an exciting question. Is data science a good career? Let's dive in and find out together. Data science is all about transforming raw data into valuable insights. Imagine being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving data mysteries. Is data science a good career choice? Absolutely. Reason number 1, high demand. Companies are eager to hire data scientists to guide their data-driven decisions. This translates to numerous job opportunities across various industries. Reason number 2, great salary. Data scientists are among the top earners in the tech world. Who wouldn't appreciate a rewarding paycheck for their expertise and skills? Reason number 3, exciting work. Data scientists tackle fascinating projects, from predicting future trends to enhancing products. The work is dynamic and never dull, keeping you engaged and challenged. So, if you enjoy problem solving and have a passion for data science might just be the perfect career path for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more tech insights and career tips.